Okay, for this witch's hat, we'll be using 4 260s. All are inflated with about 1 inch to 1.5 inches left on inflated on the ends. Let's move 2 out of the way. We're going to take our first 2, go up to the 2 nozzle ends, and just tie them together. Trim that. Then it doesn't matter which one, but take either one of them, twist off about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch bubble, and make that into a pinch twist. That's going to be the very top of the hat. Now we're going to come down, we're going to make the top of her hat going up like that. Come down about, what is that, about 18 to 20 inches on either side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make one a little shorter than the other so her hat's kind of cocked a little bit. So come down about 15 inches there, make a 1/2 inch bubble, make that a pinch twist. And then the other one I'm going to come down about 2 to 3 inches longer, make a 1/2 inch bubble, and make that a pinch twist as well. Now what we want to do is you're going to take and cross these over, and at this point you'll need to measure whoever's head this is going on to, so that it goes in the middle of these here. So their head would be inside of that. So let's assume their head is about that large there. Twist these into the opposite pinch twist from the one that came down from. This is somebody with a really big head, obviously, but that's okay. So there's the top of the hat. Now we're going to take one of our other 260s, and if you're looking at the bottom of the hat, you've got these 2 points still sticking out. Twist it into the base of one of those. Now we want to go out, and I'm going to make this shorter than that one because I'm going to pull a pinch twist off and break the excess off. So go about 5 or 6 inches out, put a pinch twist in that one. And now what we want to do is I'm going to take this, and what's going to happen is it's going to loop around here in a minute and connect to this other point. But before we can do that, I need to bring this other one. And it's going to attach to the base of the other point that's still sticking out. So at this point, we've got 4 pieces of balloon sticking out from the base of our hat. 2 are short and 2 are really long. And just like on this one, we're going to come out about 5 inches, twist off a bubble, and then twist a pinch twist. Now on each of these 2 here, we want to match that. But I'm not going to pop that excess off there, because having it there is going to help that pinch twist stay in until I tie the rest of the balloon into it, like that. So what's going to happen now is we're going to bring this one around, and you want to line it up. You're going to have to look at it and see about how long it should be, because you want it to be where it kind of rounds out as it comes around. It's going to twist into that and then come into this one here. So what you're doing, we're going to skip over that and tie the end into the opposite corner here. We're going to take the excess off. Just twist that in there. Now before I secure that, what I want to do is the other one, the other long one, I'm going to measure it alongside of that one, so they're both the same size. And then it's going to come all the way around and twist into this opposite corner from where it started. So it's coming from here all the way to the opposite corner. Take the excess off there. Now what you want to do is you're going to take these and get those where those are coming out at about the same angle, and see where this is going to, you can see that one there where it's going to cross into this. We're going to twist a little bubble there, and then twist this one, put that pinch twist into that, pop the excess off, and then repeat the same process on this other point over here, other side over here of the brim. Over there, twist that one into that. Remove the excess again. We're going to kind of shape it out a little bit as best it will. And there is your witch hat.